today I have a special guest joining me. She's here blessing me with her creativity and her amazing work. She's gonna be showing you the behind the scenes of a Halloween balloon garland. So this is gonna be like a not so scary Mickey Halloween party. As you can see, we are the Boo crew. We love Minnie, we love Mickey, we love Disney around here. This is gonna be just a perfect addition to our Halloween home decor, so I'm so excited. This is Chastity.
Hey you guys!
With Blown by Chaz. You want to let them know what's your Instagram?
You can follow me on Instagram at Blown by Chaz. You can see a little bit of the clusters or garlands that I have done before. I'm still editing my page, so just give me a second. But yeah, that's it.
All right, so I'll definitely have all her information down below. So if you're in the Raleigh or the Durham area or surrounding areas, so you guys can reach out to her and contact her once you see how amazing this garland is. Stay tuned. Thanks for hanging out with us and watching us as SOOOO by Chaz put together this amazing Halloween garland. Really happy with the turnout. Really excited to have this addition to complement the rest of my Halloween decor. Please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.